Welcome to CarTechHome channel. Like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell down below to keep updated every time we post our latest car troubleshooting guide video. How to check oil pressure switch. The oil gallery is equipped with an oil pressure switch or oil pressure sensor and the oil warning lamp and pressure gauge to inform the driver if the engine oil pressure inside the engine is good or not. When checking the oil pressure switch, use a multimeter. Set the setting to resistance measurement setting or the beep mode setting. Check the oil pressure switch using a tester. Connect the tester as illustrated. Disconnect the oil pressure switch harness connector. Check the continuity when the engine is off. If there is continuity, then the switch is okay. Check the continuity when the engine is running. If there is no continuity, then the switch is okay. The faulty oil pressure switch will trigger the oil warning light to lit. Thank you for watching CarTechHome channel. Please subscribe and visit www.cartechhome.com for more car troubleshooting guide.